Facts about Earth that do not seem real. The Appalachian Mountain Range is so old, over 1 billion years old, by the way, that they are older than Saturn's rings, which are only 100 million to 400 million years old. And after doing some research about this mountain range, I found something super cool. So the brown parts on this map were all one mountain range at one point, and obviously we know about Pangaea. I hope to God you know about Pangaea. Over the course of hundreds of millions of years, they split apart and the continents moved away from each other. But what is so interesting is that all of the other brown parts across the world also experience weird cryptid UFO and strange phenomenon like people have on the Appalachian Mountains. It could just be because this mountain range is so old, there's been so much folklore, so much history, so many indigenous cultures across this mountain range over the course of years and years and years. But I wonder if people from across the world hear something in the woods and they go, yep, no I didn't.